Mmm. That is so good. Y'all, Summertime Kev is here in Poppy's Kitchen, and we're continuing the series with a breakfast Stromboli. This one is going to be eggs and steak, or steak and eggs. Stick with me, check this out.
Yeah, this is an easy one, you guys. Takes less than 30 minutes to cook. Preheat that oven at 450. If it'll go to 450, 425 is fine, but 400 or above. All we got here is a couple of skillets, medium heat, butter. The steak I use is marinated, so I took a center cut sirloin out of the service case, ordered it out of the service case, or you just get it out of the case, it doesn't matter. Thin slice that as thin as you can get it. Put it in a little Ziploc bag or in a Rubbermaid container, whatever you got. Put some marinade on it. I use Colby marinade. You can use teriyaki. You can just use any marinade. There's a ton of them out there. Every store has their brand too. About $1, $1.50 for a big jar of it. Keep it on hand. You're going to use this stuff all the time, I promise. The dough I'm using for the Strombolis are just it's just a store-bought pizza dough. Simple. Now these steak strips, you can see they are thin, and I just stretch them out. You do not want to overcook these. They cook in seconds, basically, a minute is what I'm saying, minute and a half, 2 minutes at the most, not even that long probably. And they're going to be in a 400-degree oven, so you don't have to cook them all the way through if you don't want to. You want those things to be moist, and you want them to be tender. Eggs are the same way. Just get them cooked until all the white is set, and you're good to go. When you spread that Stromboli out, or when you spread that dough out, I like to put holes in it. You don't have to put holes in it. I use a meat tenderizer, so it's just quicker, because if I was about 30, 40, there's little spikes on it, so you can use a fork. It doesn't matter. I did drain this meat a little bit just because the juice is coming out. And to roll these up, I layered it with cheese, meat, egg, and then cheese. There's no condiments in this one. You could put mayo in it if you want to, or sour cream, or whatever you want to. You don't need it. And so this is a kind of a key thing. Roll it up. Make sure it's kind of tight. Those ends, you don't want any holes. Just smash it all down. It's not gonna come apart. But you do need to put the 2 or 3 slits in the top of it once you get it ready to put in the oven. And that's just gonna let the steam come out and not gonna puff it up. Doesn't take very long. It takes 10 minutes, about 400 to 450 degrees, depending on how done you want it. I like mine real brown, and I like it as crispy as I can get it. Your bread dough is going to be kind of thin, but don't worry about it. If it's a little bit thicker, it'll still cook perfect. In it goes, out it comes, and let it sit for just 2 or 3 minutes maybe. So about 2.5 minutes, so you don't burn yourself and all the insides don't just ooze out super quick. So that's how simple it is. And this thing was delicious. I'm telling you the truth. Great.
Turned out amazing. That's just delish. That is so good. The steak is perfect, tender, just the right amount of cheese and the egg in there. This one, no condiments, no mayonnaise, no nothing. Just straight up egg, steak, cheese, Stromboli. Since it is Christmas time, we love a Christmas martini right here. Oh yeah. Sometime kept checking out, and I'll check you guys later.